The foolish Brahman. Once upon a time, a foolish Brahman came to visit Birbal with a strange request. He wanted to be addressed as Pandit. Now, the term Pandit refers to a man of learning. But unfortunately, this poor Brahman was uneducated. Birbal tried to explain the difference to him, saying that it was not correct to call an uneducated man a Pandit, and because of this very reason, it would be improper to call him so. But the silly Brahman had his heart set on this title. So, as usual, Birbal had a brilliant idea. He said that as the Brahman was an uneducated man, he should hurl abuses and stones at anyone who dared to address him by the very same title he wanted. Then Birbal called all his servants to himself and ordered them to call this lowly Brahman a Pandit. The Brahman was very pleased. But the moment the servants started calling out to him as Pandit, he pretended to be very angry and started to abuse them loudly. Then he picked up a few stones and hurled them in their direction. All as per clever Birbal's advice. All this shouting and screaming drew a crowd. When people realized that this Brahman was erupting every time anyone called him Pandit, they all started to tease him. Over the next couple of days, he would constantly hear the refrain Pandit wherever he went. Very soon the whole town started referring to him as Pandit, much to his delight. The foolish Brahman never realized why people were calling him in this manner, and was extremely pleased with the result. He thanked Birbal from the very bottom of his foolish heart.